Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and here is another new model from Doogee, and it's called the V31GT. So this is also another updated edition from the V series, and it's also, I think it's just an improved edition of the V30 series. So today I'm going to have a very quick unbox video, and I will talk all the specification about this device. And for the V series, yeah, I'm so excited about it. And here is the 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM, and for the RAM is supported actual extendable 8GB virtual RAM. And also here we have the night black edition. Okay, so this is the very simple information we can get from the outside of the box. So next I'm going to open it. Okay, after we open it, the phone just in front of us, but before we check the device, we'll go to the accessories and papers first. So here's a limited warranty card they provide. You can go the applied to get warranty service, screen protector accessories, and SAR values. I think this is very good information, important information for such a big devices, because normally if you use the smartphone for a long time, so for the AR it's kind of here you need to get a certification about this, so you can feel more safe or health when you get this information. Especially now some countries they just put the nuclear water to the ocean, so this is very nice. Okay, let's go back to the topic. Here is the user menu, different language menu to provide. Okay, so nothing special. Let's put it aside as well. And also here is the charger and the cable. For this time, for the cable, I think, okay, it's just like the S110. It's also good, and Type-C to Type-C cable to provide. Nice. And also here is the charger, big charger, 66-watt fast charger. Same like the S110. Okay, let's go to the smartphone. Let's put the accessory aside. So here is the Doogee V31GT smartphone. It's also a large device. It supports IP68, IP69K, meter stand 810H. And here's the volume buttons, power buttons with fingerprint, side fingerprint, also the customized buttons, and also the stop to make it water resist. Okay, let's get it out from the screen protector, or from the screen back. Whoa, so similar to the another device we reviewed, the Doogee S110. Almost same. I think the one difference is here, the camera zoom. Okay, I will get the Doogee S110 here and make a comparison about these two. So here, the left one, Doogee 110, and the right one is Doogee V31GT. So almost same. Yes, almost same, just the camera zone is different. Yes, here is a secondary camera, but here I think it's just like a mirror, because this part is mainly focused on night vision, but this part is the second screen, the 50 megapixel AI camera. And for this is a 24 megapixel night vision, and also the battery is 10,800. But for the main one is also IMX 760s. This is pretty pretty similar for these two devices, and also the chips is different. GT V31GT has MTK D1080, but this is a G99, so this is a not difference. And we can also compare it from the other side, left side, bottom side, front side, right side, almost same for these two devices, and also compare the front side, almost same, dual stereo camera, and also we can remove the screen protector later. I think almost screen also same, 6.58 Full HD plus 120 Hz refresh rate screen. Okay, so nothing big, nothing special, I think, just the night vision. And also about the night vision, I got another also night vision Roger device from Uniform. Wait a moment. And here, yes, it's also night vision came from Uniform, and this time to provide a 4 megapixel night vision. And for this, Doogee is a 24 megapixel night vision, but also the Sony IMX766 is also 50 megapixel night view camera. So yes, so I will make a comparison video, night vision video about these two devices. And okay, first let's go back to this. Let's go back, and then we can talk on the here the Doogee V31 night vision, and here I think it's the infrared radiation emitters and LED, dual color LED light. We can also turn on the device to check the more information. Okay, wait a moment. Okay, now I already turned on device, and let's recap the screen. Yeah, oh, very similar, almost same. Go to settings, check the smartphone information, almost same, and or setting, status, nothing special. Side key, also the display information, 60, 90, 120, almost same. I think the difference is come from here, night vision. And let's get the Doogee 119 here. Almost same, super nice. Night vision. Beauty. Okay, the wide angle. 16 wide angle. This one no wide angle. Night vision. Video, picture, high resolution. And also this, for this here, camera, pro mode, almost same. Yes, I think the difference come from here, the night vision. Yes, and next, also a camera test for this device. Okay. Picture 10 times zoom. Front. Also, wait a moment. Night vision test. Okay, so here we go to night vision. And normal. Cannot see my hand, just with LED lights on you can see my hands. Highlight super light. This is super light. Oh, it takes much longer time. Oh, super light. Looks cool. You see? These two lights are on when I turn on the night vision. Okay, next. Turn on the light. Okay. So this is today's quick and simple unbox video about this device from Doogee, the Doogee V31GT, and it's a night vision Roger device, and it's very similar to the next others model Doogee S110, but the difference comes from the camera zone. And to just make a comment, let me know your thoughts, which one do you like, and thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned the video for more cool gadget from here. Bye bye.